Hi guys, we're going to the beach. We got Ian. My mom, say hi. There's this like bush thing over here.
It's like
It's a killer whale. A whale.
It's cool.
maybe it's a prey. Part of a prey.
That's cool.
But it's part of a prey. That's pretty cool.
That's cool. Ava. Go. Wait.
Do it again.
Ava, throw them out. Throw one out.
There's birds everywhere.
What are they okay with peanut? That scares me.
I know it, Pepper. Whoa, they're literally everywhere. Whoa, oh my goodness.
Oh, it lands on my fingers. I love it.
Yeah, they might bring them
Okay, we got peanuts from like the Texas Roadhouse. Come here. Oh, Ian.
One ran after it. Want a peanut? I need to get up there. A peanut?
Peanut. Whoa, I just took it.
Oh, I just threw it.
That is so cool. Wait, Ian, I want one. Isn't that cool, Pepper? Give me one.
Don't be scared of it. They're gonna hurt you.
Dang. Wait. Did you see that? That is so cool.
Yeah, they're coming to me. The seagulls won't come to us.
They only catch it in the sky. Did you see
Oh!
that? That was cool.
Get the whole thing?
I don't know. We're in the ocean. It is so cold in the ocean. Was she being feisted? I can't tell. Oh, it's cold. Oh my goodness. I don't like this. It's so cold. Pepper, you got this. I don't think she likes it.
I was hoping she wouldn't get her arms wet, darn it.
The ocean. Wait, no. Gulf of Mexico.
Wow. Hold on, let me grab. This sand is a little dirty. Oh, Ian, you got that on me! Ew! This is my hair. Do you want to make a? Do you want to make a sandcastle? Sure. Somehow. Okay, we're gonna go make a sandcastle, and yeah.
I'm a dog.
Okay, here's our beach. But you know, it's kind of cold, so yeah, it's kind of a mess. But I'm going to the rocks over here. This water is really cold, but also warm at the same time. Whoa. These are nice rocks. Whoa, there's like fossils. Super cool. Shells. Whoa. It's really cool here. Wow. It's super muddy too. Like hard to walk, so it's very slippery over here. I'm going back because yeah, and I'm on top of a rock. I need to get down. A rock. Is there like something in there? There's one right here. Can I grab it? I think it's a snail.
It's either a snail or
I'm putting it back. Uh-oh, he's not going back. It's also like foam. I like it, kind of. It's like, I just love the beach so very much.
Pepper, watch me throw this rock.
Guys, I forgot to make an outro, but hopefully you liked the video, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.